Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse claims that the U.S. lacks regulatory clarity on cryptocurrency and its trading. According to a CNBC interview, the chief executive officer of the world's foremost distributed ledger system ascertains that the lack of clarity in U.S. regulation of cryptocurrencies is frustrating. But evidently, the blockchain payment company has moved past the days of worrying over the outcome of the SEC lawsuit, as the company is looking to go public once the ongoing litigation with the SEC cools off. News of the possibility for such an occurrence was disclosed by Yoshitaka Kitao, CEO of the SBI Group, which happens to be the leading stakeholder in Ripple's external group of investors. And as the high-stake legal tussle between the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission continues, the price of Ripple's in-house token, XRP, continues to soar higher, signaling a 35% breakout. And in other news, top cryptocurrency exchange platforms transfer in excess of 100 million XRP tokens, amid the recent Ripple announcement that has surged the price of the digital asset up by 15%. What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video on Make Money Online, where we talk about everything XRP, price predictions, crypto, and more. Today, we're going to be looking at some insights into the transfer of over 100 million XRP tokens by top cryptocurrency exchange platforms, and other fundamental factors causing an excess of 14.4% increase in the price of this digital asset over the last 24 hours. If you haven't already smashed that like button, please do so, and while at it, hit that subscribe button as well, as it helps the channel out a lot. And also turn on post notifications for this channel by hitting the bell icon to get daily posts from us. Don't forget to let us know how we're doing in the comments below. We always like to hear what you guys think about XRP and everything else that we do here. Also, now you can join the channel as a paid subscriber for some exclusive benefits. All you have to do is hit the join button next to the subscribe button below this video. There are several tiers to choose from, which offer rewards ranging from special XRP Army stickers and a badge right next to your name to personalized help with your portfolio. You'll also get access to our VIP crypto group on Telegram, where we share the latest news, technical analysis, predictions, and everything XRP. You'll be joining a community of expert and amateur traders, where more experienced individuals can help the less savvy traders get the most out of their portfolios. 104.7 million XRP tokens have been transmitted between the distributed ledger technology company, owners of the XRP token, Ripple, and leading crypto exchange platforms like Binance and Huobi, whereas the price of XRP has surged by 15% over the last 24 hours, due to the recent Ripple announcement on the fintech going public once the lawsuit with the SEC is concluded. According to data provided by DLT Tracker's Whale Alert, it indicates that almost 100 million XRP tokens, precisely 97.1 million XRP coins, have been transferred over the last 24 hours, including Bitstamp, BitGo, and a host of other top-rated cryptocurrency exchange platforms. The total amount of XRP tokens transferred thus sums up to $163 million when converted to fiat. Amongst these transfers includes 15.2 million XRP sent to the biggest crypto exchange platform in China, Huobi, by means of Ripple's RL18VN wallet. 10 million XRP tokens, of which were moved by the blockchain payment company to one of its internal wallets, the RL43EE, with speculation that these coins are likely to be dispersed later on. Another 20 million XRP tokens were transferred to South Korean crypto exchange Upbit by Bittrex. And lastly, but of course not the least, one of Ripple's on-demand liquidity corridors, Bitstamp has exchanged 44.5 million XRP coins with custodial service BitGo. On the plus side, the price of XRP registers some new gains after the group head of the SBI conglomerate announced that Ripple will go public after the SEC lawsuit. SBI Group happens to be a long-standing partner of Ripple, a partnership that has given rise to a joint venture in Japan formed by both corporations to promote the various uses of blockchain infrastructure and XRP in cross-border payments. Yoshitaka Kitao expressed the blockchain payment processing company's interest in listing its shares publicly while addressing an earnings presentation call on Wednesday. The Japanese financial giant, with the largest exterior share of Ripple, SBI Group, has invested heavily in modern-day fintech platforms, including Ripple and its competitor R3, in a bid to pioneer the fast-evolving financial industry. Following the statement, Mr. Kitao had hinted that once the San Francisco fintech company publicly lists an IPO, only then would it pay off the investment, adding that both Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse and Executive Chairman Chris Larsen are in support of the move. In his words, after the current lawsuit, Ripple will go public. The current CEO wants to do that. Chris wants to do that. And talking about the SEC lawsuit, the CEO of Ripple, Brad Garlinghouse, expresses his frustration regarding the modus operandi employed by the United States financial asset regulators towards Ripple and cryptocurrencies at large, hinting that the lack of clarity in the regulation of cryptocurrencies by the United States and its regulators is disheartening. Also stating that the United States regulatory agencies are yet to provide a clear-cut regulatory guideline for cryptocurrencies, just as he commends the governments of Asian sovereignties. Revealing this in a CNBC interview on Friday, where he told the channel Squawk Box Asia, saying, "I give credit to markets like Singapore, and even parts of Korea where there really has been a thoughtful government-led effort to define and have clear regulatory frameworks around cryptocurrencies," making reference to the ensuing legal battle between his company and the SEC as the aftermath of what it means for a country, such as the US, to have an unclear regulatory framework. Further stating that, ironically, here in the United States, they've not provided that same clarity. It is the only country on the planet that has said XRP is anything other than a currency. Adding that the SEC has said XRP is a security, and so we're now engaged in a court discussion. So far, I feel good about how it's been going, but it's certainly frustrating. An affirmation that could be considered a follow-up statement, as the CEO had earlier stated that the United States is lagging behind in the race for the digitization of the world economy, where he cited countries within the Asian region that already have a functional central bank digital currency, while the United States is still barely in talks towards the creation of a USD-pegged digital currency to be issued by the United States Central Bank. Calling the attention of the United States stakeholders, he indicated that if the government does not take precautionary measures towards this, the United States would be left out in this race. As per data from CoinMarketCap, and at the time of recording, the price of this digital asset, XRP, was exchanging hands at $1.61. Just as Bitcoin and Binance Coin register an almost negligible price surge, Ethereum a slight dip over the last 24 hours. The relative strength index seems to have bounced back above the midline as investors in the XRP token reassert control over the market once again. At present, XRP is battling to create a higher high above 70, a trend that could allow XRP to break above the $1.50 resistance level. And as the price of XRP maintains the $1.50 marker, the bulls are conveniently taking their position in the market as they're looking to regain momentum. Furthermore, into the future, once the bulls are able to break past the $1.55 marker, the first resistance that awaits afterwards lies at $1.70. A trend that would be closely trailed by the $1.74 and the $1.82. On the other hand, the first support lies at $1.30, followed by $1.25, $1.20, $1.10, and $1. Following a decisive close at $1.46 above the neckline, that projects a 35% increase to about $2 from the previous night. The price of XRP indicates that the inverse of a potential head and shoulders pattern is underway, which is a signal of massive gains within the horizon. Nonetheless, a breakdown to about $1.20 will result in the end of the bullish trend and the introduction of a downtrend. If the bulls overwhelm the market and under such conditions, investors should expect the gross settlement token to dip by 5% to about $1.16, at which point the digital asset might find support in addition to a resurgence of investors. While experts theoretically target the price of Ripple's XRP to stretch by 35%, the price of the token might, however, experience some little breaks at the 162% and 200% Fibonacci extension levels at the $1.65 and $1.76 price tags, respectively. Combining the sequence of the highs of these swing lows, we get a resistance barrier known as the neckline, which rests at $1.46. On the 4-hour chart, XRP seems to be exhibiting signs of a potential inverse head and shoulders pattern, a technical setting that constitutes 3 distinctive valleys, which is, of course, the driving factor that has entailed expert analysts to propose that XRP could see $2 by the end of the week. Thanks for watching until the end of this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, turn on post notifications, and let us know what you think in the comments down below. You can also check out some of our previous videos as well. See you next time.